Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create and use smart lists and reminders on iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.5.1, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what is the smart list and reminders? So let me show you. I have a smart list created to today's work, as you can see, and I do have also my list. So in my list I have something like ranking from my list. I have a project for today and it is tagged work, analysis for today, and it is tagged work. I had to send a list yesterday, I didn't do it, and I had it hashtag work. Gym, I had to go to the gym yesterday, but I didn't, so I didn't mark it, and I have the hashtag SD, which stands for self-development. As you can see, I have a book for today and a course for tomorrow for self-development. So let me show you how the smart list works. So I have the smart list of today's work, and as you can see, I have here the work that I need to do today and the work that I didn't do yesterday, or just in the past, because I have enabled an option to put here the tasks that I didn't do in the past. So as you can see, in my list we can find something that we have for the work for tomorrow. No, we do not have. So let's make it. So let's say I want to have the car fixed. Let's say for tomorrow, and I'm going to give a hashtag SD. So for the not SD, sorry, I'm gonna give it the hashtag work right here. Let's click it done. As you can see, it is in my list, but it is not in today's work. It is going to be here tomorrow. So how to create a smart list? So what you want to do is now add a list and select where you want to create it. In my case, it's iCloud. If you have not selected any other account of reminders, you are not gonna have the option that I had right there. The list type, you're gonna need to change it to the smart list, and here let's name it today's self-development. Okay, in my case, self-development. Okay, and now hit filters, and here, as you can see, you have option include reminders matching all filters or any filters. Any means just any filters that you have selected, and all, if you select 3 filters, it needs to match 3 filters. So in my case, there's gonna be 2 filters, and you need to select all filters, because if it has only one, for example, it's gonna have only the text for work, it's gonna bring me our self-development, all reminders in here, but I want to have only today's reminders, so I need to select 2 filters, and then you need to match all filters, not any, because you're gonna have them all. So the text is gonna be all selected text, and in my case is gonna be hashtag SD, and date is gonna be today. The time, I'm not going to select it. Location, also flag priority lists, but you can, for example, you can add to the time. For example, you're going to create the morning work list, for example. So you're going to select the text for work, the date for today, and the time for the morning, for example. The flag, if you want to have flagged reminders, select flagged. If you don't want to have, select not flagged, or just leave it off. The priority also, if you use it in the reminders, you can select, for example, and create a list that is low priority, for example, medium and high. And you can create 3 lists, like today low, today medium, today high priority, and then select for each list low, medium or high, for example. And the same goes for the lists if you want to include or exclude all the lists. So after all, just click done, and now you can select the color. I'm gonna go for a green, and self-development, let's say I wanna have a fish icon, because you can. So let's click done, and now as you can see, it didn't work well because I don't have here options that I didn't do, for example the gym. So let's change it. So now what you want to do is to really delete this list, because you cannot edit it later, as you can see. So I'm gonna delete the smart list and make it again. So and here what you need to do is to include past the reminders. Just select this option, and also here all selected tags, SD, and click done. Then change the color and the icon also, and then click done. And now as you can see, I have created lists where all the reminders with hashtag SD are, and all that are today or were in the past that I didn't do. So as you can see, now I can easily just search for the today's work, what I need to do in the work, what I need to do after work, reminders, and it's super easy to use it. And if you want to just create a reminder, you're just creating a reminder, adding it wherever you want to. Just add title, just add tag and the date, and it goes either to work or to self-development or to any other list that you have created before the smart list. So it is a really useful feature, and it boosts your productivity as well, because you can easily find the tasks that you need to fulfill. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!